Okay.
Okay, the no-locks door lock solution that you've had for how long?
Since the Airstream International Rally in
That was the one in
I think that was
Wyoming.
that was 2023.
All right.
So about 2 years ago.
Okay.
And we picked it up from the lovely couple that owned the No Locks company. And we got all excited about it, and we knew we needed to do it because this will keep you from getting locked out of your trailer. Because if that thing just moves a little bit,
You're done.
and your keys are inside, you're done, and now you're breaking expensive windows trying to get back into your Airstream. So this is called the No Locks Door Lock Solution. Lots of videos been made about this in this installation, but we're going to do it anyway.
One hasn't been made by us.
And that way you can watch my mistakes and you can laugh. I will give you something to laugh about. So it all starts in the directions, which happen to be absolutely fabulous because we just added the pain pin solution to the windows so that they unlock. And with every No Locks product, the instructions are glossy, finished, and very detailed, which is great. So you start with the kit itself, and the kit comes with everything, including an extra gizmo in there to help you strengthen the handle if that's what you choose to do. I'm not going to do that today. We're just going to do the actual No Lock arm installation. And so it says I need a 3/32 Allen, which we happen to have, and a 7/32 drill bit and a 1/8 drill bit to use for making a pilot hole. That said, we're going to move over to the Airstream now and start the process. Don't you have something to cook? I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm good. Don't.
Don't you have a job?
Don't you have a job? So it starts out with you have to take the rubber grommet off here, and so as I push it to the lock position, I'm gonna. This is a tight little.
Just pull it right off.
It's just real easy to get off. I might have to get a screwdriver.
Yeah, you might. You might remember, depending on how long you've been with Hathaway We Go, that we were in our Airstream for 2 days when I locked us out of it.
That's right, it was the second day.
It was the second day, and we were at Lake Tahoe.
How did you get in?
And we went out the door, and I'm like, the door's locked. Because
I'm going to put this
And
right.
the dogs were inside.
Yeah,
I was in full panic mode.
full panic mode. We didn't have any idea
What to
how
do.
the heck we were going to get into the Airstream because I'm a big guy. I don't fit through access panels that are locked anyway.
Yeah, but your petite wife could.
So I wouldn't ask her to do that though. We were ready to call a locksmith, thinking it was our only option. So I reached in my pocket to get my phone, and there was my spare set of keys. So
Thank God.
since
The
then,
keys in his pocket the whole time.
we kept the spare set in the truck for a while, and then moved them to a Knox box that locked our propane tanks on. So there was always a spare key with
But
the
it
Airstream.
never happened again.
Never happened again. That's because we were ready. Right? All right, back to the install.
Very easily.
Well, if it goes like that and it's closed,
Yep.
you
then
are
we're done.
toast. So the purpose of this is to keep that from going across. So we're going to install this. If I can get a mark, and I got a mark. Okay,
Look
great.
at that. Yeah, how many holes has he drilled in the Airstream today? This will be 9.
We are drilling holes in the Airstream today.
This is where we jump from screw to screw.
Yeah, this is when you play the music. The Hathaway We Go theme song.
It's actually nice out here.
In the shade, it's nice. In the sun, it is. It's 85 out.
The sun is 500.
It's ridiculous.
Oh, it's brutal. Okay, so very gently we'll
Just
take that
came
off.
right off of there. Look at
And
that.
there you go. And this we'll leave right there. Okay, so this is the locking mechanism itself. You can see if that comes like that, you are locked out. So we're going to make sure we can keep this pegged over there.
I believe that Kevin Rogers would tell you, since you're in there,
We'll
use some of that No-Locks lubricant.
and we're going to do that. We will
He's
do.
ahead of me.
We'll do that.
There it is.
There it is. Okay, so the hole is drilled. I'll set this on here with the Allen screw, and this is the fancy. Need to put some of the Loctite on that screw before I get too
just
excited.
keep it from
before
working
I get
out.
too
There you go.
excited about this, right?
That's a lot cooler up there.
I-
Beautiful.
We're good to hang out with friends, so. But we're
We're
making
good.
them work.
That's always,
Yeah.
that makes
I mean,
it,
it's great in the shade. It is.
exactly, if you don't have to walk in the sun,
Yeah.
you're fine.
Yeah, for sure.
You have the two Havanese.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw them as I was walking Mia. I went, oh, they're a little bit bigger than her, but they're the same kind of dogs.
Yeah. Oh,
I
you
can't,
don't have
re-
any?
I can't
No, ours is
remember.
Maltese.
Oh, Maltese.
She's
Okay.
Maltese. She's a little bit smaller than your Havanese. But
Yeah.
I can't wait to get her home and get her
Okay, I
summer
think
clip.
I think it goes like
This
that.
longer
Okay.
hair is driving me crazy.
Yeah.
It's so hard to comb,
Yeah.
but we'll take care of that. I mean, have a great day.
Okay, I think that's it. I think that's it. I think I got it. I think I got it. Yep. Okay, so now they talk about in the instructions about clipping off just a little nub here so that this can pass by that. And so I'm going to go get my knife.
Just like that.
And you can see that doesn't, then we want to use the lock. I'll probably take another little nip off of that so I can get it a little bit easier.
Nice. Enough you can unlock it, but not so much it falls out.
And now I'm going to
Perfect.
we're finished. Here, ladies.
The master's going to demonstrate the door here.
Okay.
I'm probably going to take another little clip off because I think you'd struggle with it.
Oh, wow.
Being that it's
Nice. Okay, so that'll prevent it from ever locking. when
Can't.
We don't want it to.
can't lock.
And then we'll just always use this one instead.
Yeah, but if we're leaving for sure, we know we're leaving, we have our keys, we're gonna lock this, we're gonna lock this. We can leave with this like that, we can lock the deadbolt and that. Okay, so now the last piece of it is to take about 3/16 off of this so
Oh,
as to
yeah.
clear where that thing, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take a look at what will make the most sense. Yeah. Probably going to take
Hey, have you seen their curtains?
I'm not. I'm gonna go check.
go in there. Go in there and do some gloating, please. I love it.